Okay, student, let's start how to open or how to add template. First, we have to click on file menu. Then you will go in new option. You will get downside here template. Okay, then select that template. Once you click on that template, you will get different types of templates in front of you. See, here is the modern business letter. Then CV means curriculum vitae and resume. See, these are the some templates, all categories. If you want to change all these things from your site, you can check here. Here are some options. Presentation you will get. See, means presentation, like this your invitation card. If you want to create your own invitation card like this template, you can use among these anyone and create your business card or presentation. So simple. See, I will use one template from here. Now suppose this nature we can use and open. You will get one template. See, this type of template you can create your own for presentation. Now how to create template I already told you. Now next point, creating template from document. You can create template from document also and directly from file menu to new option. Same way you can create different types of templates. Now I will show you first point in that creating a template from document. First, printed setting, then general viewers of set tool by path and menu and tool customers. These are options we can use in this. See, first we have to go in tool, select option. I will show you. Then we can select from here. See, some options are here. Path. See, from where you can get the templates. We will get here some paths. See, autocorrect, auto text, classification, dictionaries, galleries, all these things. If you want to use from here or image, you can take from anywhere from your template. Okay, these are the some options. Now how to update template? How to update this template with the help of some options we can see. I will show you. Okay, now first point about update. If you make any changes to a template and its style, the next time you open document that was created from the template before the change, a confirmation message is displayed in front of you. First, to update the template or document, follow the given steps. Some steps you have to follow. First, click on update style. First, click on style. Very style? No, because of this is the Impress. But we have to use our main text document. See, suppose if you want to use here template, simple template document. Suppose this is the modern, or click on this, we will get some different, or from here we can get different business. See, like this we can insert template in your document. Now if you want to update this, see, here you can write down your name, here your logo, means if you want to create your business logo. Nowadays everyone is using online techniques to teach anything, so you can create your own business card or anything. If you want to send any letter to your favorite friend or your close friend, that time you can use like this template and create your own template. So you will be able to create different style of template. Now I am going to tell you about the update of template. Suppose if you want to update your template, means in different types template if you want to get from online or any other device or any other place. That time we have to use update style. We will get update style. See, you will get automatically update your template or style in the document. Okay. Now I am going to explain about the setting of default template. Default मतलब what? जो भी है वहां पे हम वही रख सकते हैं. That is the default. Once you open first time, it will be come on the screen. That is the by default template. Suppose if you create a document by choosing file, new text document from the menu bar. Writer create the document from the default template for text document. You can however set a custom template to be the default. You can reset the default later if you want to choose. Suppose this is the default. See, just click on this, then text. It will be complete. This is the default. See, this is the default template. It will be nothing in this screen. So if you want to change some different types of template, then we can use. See, click on file menu, then select new or downside. You will get different types of templates. See here templates already I shown you. See here business with logo you can create. A right click, you can also create the default template. Means once you select this option set as a default, then it will become anytime. Once you close this, you will get same template if you open again. I will show you. Suppose set and you will get open option. See, like this. This is the default. If you close it or text, see, you will get default. I have opened another window of this library office, but we will get same. See, देखो यहाँ पे जो हमने इससे पहले किया था, ये देखो यहाँ पे. मैं आपको कुछ जो पुराने वाले हैं थे, आई एम गोइंग टू क्लोज इट. दो है, ये है फर्स्ट, उसके बाद हमने ये देखा था. ओके, दिस इज द डिफॉल्ट. इफ यू सेलेक्ट डिफॉल्ट, यू कैन गेट सेम थिंग्स in that template. This is the setting of template as the default. Now next point, changing a different template. If you want to change different template in different place, see, we can change also. Just click on file menu, then new, we will get template option. Click on that template, or then we will get different template. Suppose again I am opening previous modern business letters. Okay, see, I have opened here. Same, you can change all these things. Suppose here logo, if you want to write your name, then your company name, address, all these things. Here you can write your own name, here school name, address, here postal address code, means like our Parli pin code 431515, like this. Same, then city, all these things we can write from here. Here title of who want to send this letter, you can write here title, means their name, then that company name means your friend school name or any house name, then address, pin code, postal code, all these things we can write down. Here is the everyone, you learned in English language how to write letter. Same format has given here. So as per this format, you can create your own template. See, I hope everyone understood about this easily. Now next point in this, if you want to delete some graphics, suppose you don't want this, you can delete also from these graphics. Okay. यहाँ पे see, I am going to cut here all these things which is not need for us. See, okay, understood about this. This is the formal letter and informal letter. Everyone know about these things. So same things, all these things we can do copy paste, cut paste, all these things with the help of our regular option which is used in MS Office. If you want to copy it, you can copy it. If you want to cut it, you can cut it. Again, you can paste it. All these things we will do with the help of this option. Now next point, I'm going to tell you using template. If you want to use the template, already I shown you all these things, but in that some different points, same process. I am going to open new blank window. See, this is the blank window, nothing in this window. Then I will open again some templates, same. See, now as per your syllabus 1.2 is given here. Now create category of template. First we have to categorize. See, here is the some categorize given here. My template, business, media, other business, personal, presentation, style given here. If you want to create my template, what will come? See, you can create here all the documents, all these things. See, all categorize, media, then other business card. See, then presentation, already I shown you about this presentation. You can see all these things in this template. I hope everyone understood about this. Then downside, you can export, import, all the options are here. Then setting also here, new categorize, you can create your own categorize. See here, enter the categorize your name, means any name. If you want to create your own categorize, you can delete the template. See, suppose I have insert one template, this, and open. Okay, this is simple template, nothing in this. But if you want to change any other template, you can take another template which is easily visible to you. See, this kind of template we can use all these things. If you want to delete template, you can delete also, nothing in that. Just we have to go in setting and you have to delete this template. I will show you template here, setting, then refresh, delete, categorize. You can go all these things. Same things you can delete from here. Sorry. Okay, now next point in that, moving a template. If you want to move the template, see, modern. If you want to move, where you want to move, this is the none. If you want to move this template in presentation, categorize, then we can move this template in presentation. Now we will get this template. See here, nothing. If you want to open presentation, you will get that modern. I will show you. All categorize. Now see here, you will get all the categorize. See, modern here with the presentation. Okay, like this we can create our own template with beautiful decoration, all these things. Now you can delete your template also with the help of same point, file, template, and manage template. Same things we can delete from here also. Okay, here all these options are available. We can delete from here. Same things. So I hope everyone understood about the template point, how to insert, how to create, all these things you will be easily understand. So I think you will able to create template at your home, and in your mobile also there are some templates. Okay, so thank you. Next point we'll see in next topic. I will show you that topic name. That is a create table of contents. Now I am going to show you with the help of different style we can create table. सिंपल सी बात है, आप सभी को मालूम है टेबल, हाउ टू क्रिएट टेबल in our MS Office, but here some different points, some different options which is available for you. Now I'm going to explain about the creating a table of content. See, it is possible to easily create table of any content for document. The writer application will read through the heading that are part of the document and can create the table of content from this. In fact, if you are later change the heading, the table of content will be the update. Automatically it will be update once you change the heading. You will get all these things. We will see in next point how to create table. Okay student, creating table में बढ़ाया था. इसके बाद मैंने first point है hierarchy of headings. See, write a table of contents means TOC, which just lets you build in automated TOC from the heading of the document. Whenever changes are made to the text of the heading in the body of the document or the page of which the heading appears, those change automatically appear in the table. So whatever you want to change, that time it will be automatically changed from the table. So first we will see how to create table in that. Customizing a table of content. This is the first point. Customizing a table of content. This is the first point regarding table. Now I will show you how to customize. First we have to go in insert. Where you want to go? Insert. Then click on table. Where you want to click on table. What is the option? Table of content. This is the main point. See, once you click on insert, then we have to click on table of contents. See, where you want to click? Table of contents and index. This is the main option. Then you have to select downside. This is the table of content, index or bibliography. This is the option. Once you click on that, you will get some option. See, these are the some options we will get properly about this table. See, here is table of content, table of content. Then you will get here heading 1, here heading 1.1, entry heading 1.2. All these things you will get from this. Okay, now here see heading 1, heading 1.1, heading 1.2. All these things you will get here. Once click on that, you will get one table in front of you. See, table of content. But I have not written any headings. If you want to write any headings, we have to go again in that. Now you have to apply character style. Then what to do? Be sure, first point, be sure. Okay. Then this is the content. I will show you again. I am repeating about this. In the table of content, index or bibliography dialog box under the entries tab, structure line, click on the bottom representing the element of which you want to apply style from the character. You will get from here table content this. See, properly all these things we will get style. See here. Then you can click on edit button. See, caption, content 1, content 2, content 3, all these things are available in style. By default style, heading, index, list, text body, all these things, edit, click on that edit. You can edit from here. See, after this, you will get this dialog box. Here is some different options are available. See, organize, index spacing, drop cap, alignment, area, all these things. See, here alignment, left, right, center, whatever you want to use. All these things are available in this window or in this option. Font effect, where is your text, superscript, normal, subscript. Already I told you what is meant by superscript and what is meant by subscript. Means what? Simple सी बात है. ये option will get in this option. Then this is the paragraph style. If you want to change the paragraph of your text, you can say highlight also. See, I'm showing you here different color. See, you can use like this different colors to your style. All these things you will get here, but I have not done any table, but now I am going to create table. You will get properly. Okay, okay, now next, if you want to create table, we have to create. Okay, then we will be get all these things. See, यहाँ पे right protect content cannot be changed, means we can't change anything, just we can change style, all these things from here. This is the table content, all these things. Okay, so here you can easily identify how to create table. Then we can updating table and deleting table, these all these options. If you want to delete table, say index, you can delete index, you can edit index, you can update index. All these things we can use with the help of this option. Here your 2 points I have taught in this session, in this video, and here your chapter has finished. So thank you.